today's video, I'm gonna go over and show you guys how to set up your printer and have it ready to print out the sewing patterns. So you're gonna be getting two files. The first one is the pattern instructions, where I give you important information like the printing settings. And then the second one is the actual pattern itself. So if you go back to the instructions, I tell you to print on 100% scale on A4 paper. Please double check that you're purchasing the correct paper size, because A4 is a little bit bigger than US letter. Now let's go back to our pattern file. Another thing I want to mention is you don't need to print out the whole pattern at first. When you're doing the test square, print out the first page, which is this one, A1, and like I said, print it out, double check that it does measure 2 inches by 2, and if it does, then you can print out the rest of the file. That way you don't waste time, ink, or paper by doing this. So let's go to printing, and then we're going to the page setup, and then we're going paper size. Oh, it's already on here. So if yours says US letter, go all the way to A4, and then it's already 100% scale, so I'm going to put OK. And it says custom scale still 100. Then we're going to only print out the first page, or you could do page 1. And then from here, I'm going to go to my printer as well, because we also need to make changes on our printer before we press print. So let's go do that. So here is my printer, and the first thing we're going to do is change the paper size on the paper tray. So if you look close, there's lines here telling me the size of the paper, and so we're going to go from letter to A4 right here, just like that. Now we're on this side of buttons and the screen, and we're going to press on the little page button, and it's going to start blinking, basically telling me that I can now change the paper size settings. And I'm going to press it again for A4, and you can change it for whatever size letter you needed. Okay, so let's go back to A4, and I'm going to press OK. And then now we have the printer set up for A4. And that's pretty much it, how you set up your printing settings on the computer and on your actual printer. After that, you can press print, and yeah. If you guys still have any questions though, feel free to contact me and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. Okay, I'll see you guys on the next video.